Today we're looking at the Jayco Jay Flight 225 MLSW. Up front, of course, we have the patented integrated A-frame, along with the larger propane bottles and the electric tongue jack. Of course, all Jayco travel trailers are going to be mounted on the Goodyear tires. This model is equipped with the Overlander Solar 1 package. And of course, our flooring is the patented Jayco 5/8" tongue and groove real plywood used for your decking. Moving inside the unit, we're going to have a mid-living profile, which I think is going to be very popular for 2024. You're going to have your theater seating, and then adjacent to your theater seating, you're going to have your dinette and your TV. And then the back is where it really gets interesting. You're going to have your 12-volt refrigerator, which stays powered by your solar package. It's going to have lots of counter space and drawers for your kitchen area. It's really a rear kitchen type model, but then they changed it up a little bit by having the bathroom model adjacent to the rear kitchen area. And it's a large bathroom, medicine cabinet, a sink, and of course more cabinets by which to store stuff in the bathroom, towels, whatever else you may put in there. Again, I really think this is going to be a dynamic floor plan in that it's smaller. It's new for 2024, and again, it's the Jayco Jay Flight 225 MLSW. And be sure to scan the QR code at the end of the video. It's a link to the website at rvsofsac.com.